Hello everyone, good morning. Before the examination of unit first, we had completed electronic configuration of an element in chapter 3rd. Today we are going to discuss about valence cell and valence electron, which is related with electronic configuration of an element. So first point is valence cell. The outermost cell of an atom is called valence cell. For example, nitrogen, which symbol is 7n14, and its electronic configuration is 2, 5. Thus, valence cell of nitrogen atom is L cell because the last electron of nitrogen atom filled in L cell. So outermost cell of nitrogen atom is L cell. The number of electron present in the outermost cell is valence electron. That means in a nitrogen atom contains 5 electron in outermost cell L cell. 5 electron present in outermost cell L cell. So valence electron of nitrogen atom is 5. Now next point is valency. The number of electron an element lose or gains to attain stable configuration is called valency of an element or atom. To attain stable configuration means that contains 8 electron in outermost cell after lose the electron or gains the electron. For example, sodium, which symbol is 11Na23. 23 is the atomic mass of sodium and 11 is the number of electron present in sodium atom. Electronic configuration of sodium element is 2, 8, 1. In outermost cell of sodium atom is 1, so sodium lose 1 electron from outermost cell. If sodium lose 1 electron from outermost cell, then its electronic configuration becomes 2, 8, which is a stable electronic configuration. After losing 1 electron from outermost cell, sodium atom form Na plus charge ion. Sodium lose 1 electron, so its valency will be 1. And you will also write the valency of sodium is plus 1. Now second example, chlorine, which representation is 17Cl35. 17 is a number of electron, 35 is a atomic mass, and Cl is a symbol of chlorine element. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. In chlorine atom, 7 electron present in their outermost cell, but it is difficult to lose 7 electron. But it is easy to gain 1 electron and complete their octet, that means 8 electron in their valence cell. So chlorine required 1 electron to complete stable electronic configuration, that means 8 electron in outermost cell. Chlorine gain 1 electron and form Cl minus 1 charge ion, and its electronic configuration becomes 2, 8, 8 after gaining 1 electron. Chlorine gain 1 electron, so its valency is 1, and you will also write minus 1. But there is a problem created when you will study about valency. First is, how will you identify atom loss or gain the electron? So valency first point is, if number of electron is less than 4 in outer cell, then element lose the electron and form positive ion. If number of electron is equal to 8, then valency will be 0. if number of electron greater than 4 but not equal to 8 in outermost cell, then gain electrons, and valency is equal to 8 minus valence electron, that means outermost electron, and form negative ion of an element. Let's understand with the help of example. First example is potassium, which atomic number is 19 and electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 1. In potassium, one electron present in outermost cell, which is less than 4. So potassium loss one electron and form K positive ion with valency 1. But magnesium electronic configuration is 2, 8, 2. 2 electrons are present which less than 4. So magnesium lose 2 electrons and form Mg plus 2 with valency 2. Sulfur electronic configuration 2, 8, 6. Here 6 is greater than 4. So gain 2 electron to complete 8 electron in their valence cell and attains stable electronic configuration. When sulfur gain 2 electron, then it will carry minus 2 charge and its valency becomes 2. Now argon atomic number 18, electronic configuration 2, 8, 8. Here 8 electrons are present in outermost cell of argon. So argon neither gain or lose electron. So valency of argon is 0. In the next class, we will discuss about valency of radicals and monovalency, divalency and trivalency atoms. That's all for today. Thank you.